Hello children, good morning. So children, in our today's class we will learn about World Wide Web and the basic terms related to this World Wide Web. So here our class begin. So children, this one is session number 2 of this unit. Unit name is Web Application and Security. Session number 2 we are covering these days. So in session number 2 about these networking fundamentals, first topic you will check that network and its types we have done. Network and its type. What is network? Network means group of computers that we are connecting. Okay? And types are LAN, MAN, WAN, PAN. So this topic we discussed, we done. Second one is client server architecture and peer-to-peer architecture. What is client server architecture? Where server is the powerful machine that provide that data or whatever the client is requesting, that task or that data to that client. So this one is client server architecture, means where one can act as server, rest of our clients. Peer-to-peer architecture or point-to-point architecture. Here every node can act as a client or server where at any point of time, so means peer-to-peer or point-to-point architecture. Children, internet. What is internet? Internet is a network of network. Already I told that this one is Indian network, okay, American network, and this one is Japan network. Now these all network, okay, your friends are there in America and Japan and you are communicating with them with the help of internet, you are sharing information. So this one is also one network. Connection ही तो है, ठीक है. And this network already they are network. When we are connecting these networks, so what it will make internet. So it means internet we have done. Next is this World Wide Web. In today's class we will do. Next is benefits of networking. Benefits means advantages of networking. If you remember hardware sharing, okay, what we have discussed, software sharing and easy to implement. So these are the benefits. So already we done. Next is internet. Getting access to internet, we can access the internet. For this we required certain devices, है ना, पढ़ा था ना, that router, hub, switch. So these are the devices. These things we have done. Next is internet terminology. Children, in our today's class we will learn about this one. Next is some of the commonly used internet connectivity option. Internet connectivity. Connectivity, for this what options are there? Satellite communication, पढ़ा था, dial-up communication, dial-up connection, or the DSL or Wi-Fi, WiMAX. So they all are coming in this topic. Some commonly used internet connectivity options. Done. Next is data transfer on the internet. Data transfer on the internet, if you remember that working of internet, that client is there, server is there, client is sending request, server is searching that page is divided into small parts. So these are the two protocols here we are using. HTTP is for establishing the connection, server is giving response, HTTP response that one, and that server side, that page is divided into small packets. So these packets are designed by TCP protocol. TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol, and IP stands for Internet Protocol. What is the function of IP? IP will assign the address to these protocols, and then these protocols are moving in the network. So this, which term we are using here? Packet switching. So in this manner your whole internet works. So this data transfer on the internet we have done. So what topic remain in this session number 2? One is this www, and next one is these internet terminologies, these points. Okay, so let's begin with the first topic, this www. So here is this one. Children, this one is the updation in this web application. In new topic they added this time. What is this www? As its name suggests, in general term we can say www means World Wide Web, and worldwide means across the world. ठीक है, web means internet. Across the world we are using internet. It is possible only because of this World Wide Web. When you are using internet, when you are opening Facebook, what you are writing? Facebook.com. Okay, and when you are pressing enter, what happened? That your browser will automatically add www there. Or what it added? It added HTTP protocol there. What is the function of this HTTP? HTTP established the connection between client and server. ठीक है, इसने तो connection establish कर दिया. Now this is the duty of this www. Whatever data you are retrieving there, whatever data you are transferring there on the internet, ठीक है, this thing is possible because of this. Children, after checking this video, what you will do? You will open your browser, you will write down any site name, ठीक है, and then press enter. What happened? It will automatically edit these two things. Now what you will do, when it automatically, your browser will automatically add these two things, you will place your cursor there and with the backspace you will start removing this. ठीक है, इसको remove करना है एक बार. What's the result? It will not loaded this Facebook page. Again, when you are pressing enter, what happened? Your browser will automatically add these two things. ठीक है, so what does this www means? That with the help of this, we are using web means internet across the world. It is possible because of this www, or we can say World Wide Web. What is the story there, ma'am, behind this? Listen, when computers are there now, we don't know about this internet. What happened that in America, ठीक है, their military, what they think that we will design something that by which we will share the information. That time what happened that in America, these people, they are sharing information locally only. ठीक है, so they decided that we will do something, that we will design something by which we can share the information across the world. So for this, Mr. Tim Berners-Lee, ठीक है, in 1989 actually, in 1989 he designed one www, or we can say World Wide Web. But at where? At CERN. CERN is that lab where he designed this World Wide Web. But later on in 1991, it was launched by that lab. ठीक है, so actually it was designed in 1989, but it was launched in 1991. ठीक है, why Tim Berners-Lee called it the World Wide Web? ठीक है, why he called this? Because if you are not placing this in your browser, ठीक है, your requested page will not able to communicate throughout the world. Your requested page will not able to collect the information throughout the world, to communicate throughout the world. समझ में आया? Because what is the function of HTTP? HTTP only establishing the connection. ठीक है, connection establish होने के बाद whatever data is there, you are transferring or you are collecting from there, you are sending request. ठीक है, you are, here is your Facebook page, here is your friend. You are sending information and he is giving you response. These things, these interchange, it will happen only because of this World Wide Web. Okay, so now what is in general term we can say that by which we are sharing the information, by which we are communicating with each other. So for this we required one term www. ठीक है, और in technical term we can say it is a massive set. Massive set means large set of interlinked documents. What is actually internet पे क्या होता है? That documents are there, images are there, some protocols we are using. So we can say World Wide Web is a massive set of interlinked documents, images and other items, or we can say standard protocols. ठीक है, so these things we required. So in technical term we can say that www is a combination of documents, images and these resources, these protocols. Okay, now next is what are the features of this www. So first one is that with the help of this, it helps the user by which we can easily retrieving information, we can easily searching the information, and these things are possible only because of this www. है ना, it provide the user facility to make information search, retrieve करना, and easily we can retrieve these information, and it is possible because of this. Children, if you are writing facebook.com and when you are pressing enter, if your browser is not adding this one, so it means your page will not be able to load. ठीक है. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस वी आर गेटिंग द इंफॉर्मेशन, वी आर कम्युनिकेटिंग, ठीक है, वी आर कनेक्टिंग विद द इंटरनेट. सो फॉर दिस वी रिक्वायर दिस www. Next one is that it was built on the technology called hypertext, or we can say hyperlink. This one is your Facebook page. Here friend suggestions, your friends names are there. What happened if you want to search for someone, what you click when you are clicking on any friend name, click on any link, what happened, you will automatically transfer on that friend's page, होता है ना, on home page of that friend. ठीक है. So this thing is that by this technology, ठीक है, it built on hypertext. Hypertext why this, ये जितने भी hyperlinks होते हैं ना, these hyperlinks, when you are clicking on any hyperlink, what is hyperlink? On school site also you have seen na, that something written here, home, contact us, ठीक है, about us. So when you are clicking on that one, what happen? When you are clicking on any link, so what, you will move on to that page. So World Wide Web is what? It is a collection of this information. So it will built on the technology called hypertext, or we can say hyperlink. Children, one term is there, HTML pages. ठीक है, जितने भी वेब पेजेस होते हैं, they all are HTML pages. So HTML pages होते हैं, ठीक है, that we once have previous classes also you have learned ना, that HTML language. Why you are learning that? Because HTML language we are using for creating these web pages. ठीक है. So these HTML pages are linked to each other with the help of these hyperlinks. ठीक है. And we are communicating, we are clicking on these hyperlink, and so by this clicking on hyperlink, what happened, we are moving on that particular page, and this thing is possible because of this www. Next feature is that we can link the information within the same page or other document with the help of these hyperlinks. ठीक है, or we can say hypertext. Okay. Next is, by this www uses HTTP protocol for establishing the connection. What it means that, children, this one is your computer, this one is your server. Your computer, you want to open facebook.com, what happen when you are writing fb.com, facebook.com, your connection is established by this HTTP protocol. ठीक है, server is giving you response, server ने page दे दिया. Now on client computer your page is there. When you got the page, what happened, whatever the connection is there established by that HTTP protocol, that one will be resolved. Now again here you will find one link of your friend name. When you are clicking on this, means again you are requesting, and again you are requesting means again your HTTP protocol will establish the connection with your server. ठीक है, इट मीन्स कि जो आप HTTP प्रोटोकॉल जो कनेक्शन एस्टैब्लिश करता है, that connection is not permanent one. Once server fulfill your request, that connection will be resolved. Again you are requesting something from your server, again that connection will be established by HTTP protocol. Children, look what written here, that www uses HTTP, and this means that each time the client is requesting for the page and web server is responding for that by sending that resource, and the connection of that site is cut off. ठीक है, तो connection will dissolve, and again if you are requesting something, again connection will established by HTTP protocol, and for www is using HTTP protocol for establishing the connection every time. And why it will dissolve this connection? To increase the efficiency. Okay. Next one is that web browser is an ultimate tool for the web. Children, look, this one is your computer, and on your computer that web browser कहाँ होता है? It will work on client computer. What is actually web browser? If you remember in 9th class we discussed the types of software. Two are there. One is system software, one is application software. ठीक है, if web browser, तो you will place in which category? System related तो नहीं है. One application is there. ठीक है, and web browser is an application software by which what we will do, we are quickly searching, we are retrieving, and we are downloading or surfing the internet. ठीक है, through any amount of information from any number of sites. This thing is possible because of this web browser, and this web browser work on this principle of www. When you are writing facebook.com, if you are not placing this, so your web browser will place this. because of if your www is not there, then you are not able to collect the information from there. ठीक है. So one more advantage or one more feature of this is that web browser is an ultimate tool for using this web, and by this we are searching, we are retrieving and downloading the information from any site, ठीक है, any number of site, and this thing is possible because of www. Children, next is that this www help the people to communicate with each other. मैंने starting से ही बोला था that with the help of this only we are able to communicate with each other. If we are not placing there www, then we are not able to connect connect with that a friend. ठीक है, अपना जो Facebook का पेज होगा that will not able to load. ठीक है, on your computer your server is not able to give your page, because by this we are communicating, by this we are connecting, and we are also sharing information, resources with anyone in the world. ठीक है, with resources with anyone in the world, and it is possible because of this. Next, last point is that the most important thing is www is not platform oriented. ठीक है, means ये किसी specific platform पे work नहीं करता. By this we are able to share the information, or we can say that it can run independently on any platform. ठीक है, on any kind of operating system. Children, you have seen that Apple iPhone, what is there? They are platform oriented. ठीक है, whatever the platform, only Apple जो iOS है, that only that all the softwares of Apple company only they will supported by that iOS. Why so? Because that they are platform oriented, platform dependent. ठीक है, but the best thing with www is that it will run on any kind of operating system without doing any changes. ठीक है, so what we discuss here that w is World Wide Web, by which we are collecting the information, by which we are connecting with our friends. Or what we discussed that it is a massive source set of interlinked document, images and other resources developed by Mr. Tim Berners-Lee. ठीक है, in which year? Actually in 1989, but in exam if question is there तो you will place there 1991, where because launched इसको 1991 में हुआ था. Where? At CERN is that place, ठीक है, that laboratory where they develop. What are the features? That by this we are easily, quickly searching the information, retrieving the information. ठीक है, it built on the technology called hyperlink, hypertext we are using here. ठीक है, and this hypertext, by this we are linking the pages, we are collecting the information, and with this we are using HTTP protocol for establishing the connection. At every request your connection will establish. When server is responding you, connection will dissolve. And web browser we are using here. Web browser it will use that www for searching, for retrieving, for downloading the internet. ठीक है, if you want to use these services of internet, for this we require www, and with this we are sharing the information, we are communicating with each other, and it will platform oriented, means platform free. ठीक है, on any kind of operating system it will work. So this is www. Children, next topic is what is the difference between internet and www is, in general term कभी सुना होगा that people are usually saying I am using internet. ठीक है, so what is internet? What is the difference between these two? That internet is a global network. Global means across the world, or we can say internet is a network of networks of computers. ठीक है, that are located in different countries of the world. If you are requesting something from Facebook, ठीक है, you are here, you are requesting with your server, ठीक है, and your friend is there in Australia, he is requesting with his server, and these servers are communicating. So these computers are at a different location in different countries. While www, it refers to the collection of various web pages connected through these hyperlinks. ठीक है, these pages they are connected to hyperlinks or URL we can say web addresses. ठीक है, so these, by this we are connecting, we are so what is www? It is a collection, or we can say massive set of web pages or images or resources. Okay, internet in short we can say that it is, we are using net. एंड www इन शॉर्ट व्हाट वी कैन से www, ठीक है, वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब, इन शॉर्ट www और वेब. इंटरनेट, it uses many languages and protocol to transmit the data over the computer network. ठीक है, while this www, only one protocol it required, that is http, for establishing the connection for transmitting the data. ठीक है, once your server is giving you response, this connection will be dissolved. Next, internet, if we required, if we said that it provide many services like email. Children, so many protocols are there. SMTP, ठीक है, SMTP होता है सिंपल मेल ट्रांसफर प्रोटोकॉल. No need to learn it. It is not there in your syllabus. Only I am telling you. You will listen. That two protocols we discussed ना, HTTP and TCP/IP, and so many protocols are there. ठीक है, एक होता है SMTP. SMTP होता है सिंपल मेल ट्रांसफर प्रोटोकॉल. When you are exchanging email, when you are using mail, ठीक है, which switching technique we are using? Message switching. Which protocol we are using? सिंपल मेल ट्रांसफर प्रोटोकॉल SMTP. ठीक है, एक होता है हमारे पास FTP, फाइल ट्रांसफर प्रोटोकॉल. व्हेन यू आर शेयरिंग फाइल, व्हेन यू आर कॉपिंग फाइल, ठीक है, करते हैं ना कंप्यूटर में. विच प्रोटोकॉल वी आर यूजिंग? वी आर यूजिंग FTP प्रोटोकॉल. FTP stands for फाइल ट्रांसफर प्रोटोकॉल. व्हेन वी आर ट्रांसफरिंग फाइल, वी रिक्वायर्ड FTP प्रोटोकॉल. ठीक है, इंस्टेंट मैसेजिंग. so many things are there that in internet we are using. On other side, that www, it uses web browser. ठीक है, web browsers we are placing ना, that in that web browser by which we are sending request to accessing the web page, and we are having graphics, sounds to connect through these hyperlinks. Okay, so we can say that the most important thing we can say that www is just a part of internet. ठीक है, it is a part of internet. www means not internet, which uses most of the time to searching the information. Okay, now some basic terms are there in this. First one is web server. Children, what is web server? Server means that powerful machine which is providing that information. ठीक है, web means internet. So on internet, that powerful computer which is fulfilling your request, so that one is www. Children, this one is your internet, this one is your server, and they all are clients. ठीक है, clients are requesting. देखो, client request, HTTP request, server respond, HTTP response. ठीक है, so internet work on which technique? ठीक है, it work on client server. देखो, internet work on client server model. ठीक है, here server is there. Every computer जिसको भी चाहिए, they are requesting and server is giving response. So internet is a what? It work on client server model. So first term is web server. Okay, I'll take your 2 minutes. गुस्सा नहीं हो. First term is web server. Web server is that powerful computer, ठीक है, where all the HTML pages and other resources are stored. Okay, and we are using these resources by with the help of internet. We can use, ठीक है, we it always be active and connected to the internet. It runs software designed to send out the HTML pages and other file format, and it is based on client server model. I already told. ठीक है, when client is requesting, server is searching that page and server is giving response. So which model? Client server model. ठीक है, server is having some software that design, ठीक है, to send out these whatever the pages you are requesting. ठीक है, that page, that request is fulfilled by the server by using certain software, certain algorithms. So with this first terminology, web server, first term, we learned that server is a powerful machine. Children, from this topic web browser we will discuss in our next class. Thank you so much for listening me. ठीक है, so do revision and be healthy, be safe. So thank you so much for listening me and for giving me your precious time. Thank you class.